How did you come up with the name?
A friend of mine helped me with the name. He said I should call it Dawg House. When you're in trouble with your wife or your lady, that's where they put you at the Dawg House.
I think I have an idea of what you guys are making, but tell us anyway.
Gourmet hot dogs. We travel a lot, and every time we go like New York and Chicago, we see like places selling gourmet hot dogs, and it'd be 100% beef, and it's on the grill. So we decided to try it too, because where we from, they're not usually doing stuff like that. They just got the regular hot dogs with no extra stuff to it. So we decided to do gourmet hot dogs.
This is our first food truck. We decided like a year ago that we wanted to have a food trailer. And then with COVID coming in and everything, we was like, you know what, we gotta run for it. It was his idea.
It was my idea, I kept talking about it.
He kept talking about it.
She put it in action, we just went full-fledged with it, just full blast.
We gotta do it right now. If we don't do it right now, we ain't gonna never do it. For about 60 days, and I just kept seeing all the beautiful food trailers, and I said, this where we going. we coming to One Fat Frog. Ace was the first person we seen when we walked in.
Y'all did a great job.
Y'all did a great job. Thank y'all so much.
What makes you stand out with your hot dogs?
Well, we're doing grilled hot dogs, the flat top, chili cheese dogs, jerk chicken dogs. We're gonna do different types of chicken wings, garlic parmesan, lemon pepper. We're just big on flavor,
Yeah, actual flavor. Best hot dog
the best hot dog.
And look for many more trailers to come.